Hey everybody! Today we're going to be doing a shirt inspired by flowers or balloons. This is a V-neck women's shirt. It is inside out. It has been pre-washed, soaked in soda ash, spun out. It's 100% cotton. So we do have this inside out, and we are going to be flipping this over to its back side. For this project, I'm using a pool cutting from a jumbo pool noodle. This is about 3 inches long, and I am using 6 of them. So for the first step, we're going to take one of the pool noodles and we're going to place it somewhere underneath the shirt. Make sure everything is lined up, and we're going to push it down. I normally do about to my last knuckle. I make sure there are a little bit more individual creases. I try not to place these in a bad spot, so you might not want to place them horizontally here, but a little bit more asymmetrical. You can make the depth of some of the holes a little bit less, more. It all depends on the effect you want. If you go deeper, it'll have more of a funnel to the balloon. If not, it'll just be the opposite. I try to hold some in place just so it doesn't pull out from the others. It's okay if it doesn't completely come over the pool noodle. Once we have it just like this, we're going to put it in a basket. Make sure all of our valleys are pushed down in between the flowers and the blooms. Like I said, you can put these anywhere you want. You can even get a very big one and make one big bloom over a shirt. That looks pretty cool. This is also a gravity dye, so it will be flowing down. Just go through and make sure you still have a good deep hole. At this point, we're going to put it into a basket, as so. I'm going to be using these paper funnels I made to put in each hole, and put a specific dye that's going to add a little bit of contrast to the flower itself.